Hello everyone, in this video we have the system of equations. We have x to the power 2027 plus y to the power 2027 is equal to 1, and we also have x to the power y is equal to 1. And we have to find the values of x and y. Subscribe to this channel, it is free, there's no charges on that, and you can change your mind at any time. Thanks for subscribing. Now let's get started. First, we will consider this equation. We have x to the power y is equal to 1. So we will look for the cases that will make this equation possible, right? So the first case, we are saying that x is equal to 1, right? So if x is equal to 1, let's put this value of x into the equation over here. So we will have 1 to the power 27 plus y to the power 27 is equal to 1. Now let's go ahead and then look for the value of y in this equation. 1 to the power 27 is still 1 plus y to the power 27 is equal to 1. And this implies that y to the power 27 is equal to 0. If y to the power 27 is equal to 0, then it means that y is equal to 0. So from this we have x, y is equal to 1, 0. So these are the values of x and y with this first case. Now let's move on to case 2. Case 2, we are saying that y is equal to 0 and x is never 0. We don't want to produce something like 0 to the power 0, which is indeterminate, right? So we are saying that y is 0 and then x is never 0. So if you put this one into this equation over here, we have x to the power 27 plus 0 to the power 27 is equal to 1. And this implies that x to the power 27 is equal to 1. Since the power is an odd number, it means if we take 27th root on each side of the equation, we will end up getting only one solution, right? So it means that x is equal to positive 1. So the values of x and y here is also 1, 0, right? Then we will consider the last case, which is case 3. So case 3, we are saying that x is equal to negative 1 and y is even. So let's see whether this one will work for the equation. We are saying x is negative 1 and y is an even number. So we will have negative 1 to the power 27 plus y to the power 27 is equal to 1. Right? So from here, since the power is an odd number, we will still get negative 1 plus y to the power 27 is equal to 1. So let's make y to the power 27 the subject. So we will have the right hand side to be 2. Right? We are looking for y, so we will just take 27th root on each side of the equation, so that this will cancel this. Now we have y is equal to, because this is an odd number, we will not bring plus or minus, right? So we will have y approximately equal to 1. And we see that 1 is an odd number, which is not even. So it means we are not going to consider these values of x and y. So in conclusion, we have the values of x and y equal to 1, 0. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day. Like the video, comment and share. Bye bye.